Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to Edinburgh's most iconic landmarks, which is, guess, as you can see in the title, it's Calton Hill. Let's explore. It's just a short walk from the Princess Street, right in the heart of the city. It's one of my favorite places in the city, not only for its panoramic views, but also because of its deep history and peaceful atmosphere. This is actually one of the Calton's monument, which is Dugald Stewart Monument, built in 1831 in memory of the Scottish philosopher Dugald Stewart. It was designed by William Henry Playfair, the same architect behind many of Edinburgh's elegant neoclassical buildings. Today, it's one of the most photographed spots in the city, especially at golden hour. At the top, you'll find the City Observatory, which was designed by William Henry Playfair, who also designed Dugald Stewart Monument that we have just seen it before, around 1800s. But the original idea came from Thomas Short, who built the first observatory around late 1700s, who was also an astronomer. It was once a center for studying the stars and tracking time using a huge time ball, which still drops at 1 o'clock every day in connection with 1 o'clock gun from the castle. Today, the observatory has been transformed into a contemporary art gallery known as the Collective, blending science, art, and history. Just below City Observatory, you can see this brass Portuguese cannon. This was traveled all over the world, and it was cast in early 15th century with the royal arms of Spain on its barrel. Then it was transported to Portuguese colonies in the Southeast Asia, sometimes before 1700. Either trade or capture, this cannon eventually came into the hand of King of Arakan, who was a ruler state of Burma. Then, during British invasion, British captured this cannon and brought into the UK. Later on, it was presented to Edinburgh and placed on Calton Hill. Let me tell you the fun fact. There were 6 cannon, including this Portuguese cannon. 5 were melted down during the World War II in order to supply metal. This is Playfair Monument, which is located right beside of City Observatory. It was built in 1826 to honor Professor John Playfair, one of the Scotland's most respected scientists, mathematicians, and geologists. The Latin inscription on the monument roughly translates to John Playfair, a beloved friend, faithful in duty and desire, who once dedicated this place to Urania, the muse of astronomy. From the top of Calton Hill, you can see all of Edinburgh laid out before you. The medieval Old Town, the Georgian New Town, the volcanic Otterside, and the glimmering Firth of Forth. It's a view that connects the old and the new, nature and the city, past and present. No matter the season, this spot never disappoints, sunrise, sunset, or even on a cloudy day. On my right hand side, you can see National Monument of Scotland. Started in 1826 to commemorate Scottish soldiers and sailors who died in the Napoleonic Wars. It was designed to look like the Parthenon in Athens, but construction stopped when funds ran out. That's why locals nicknamed it Scotland's Disgrace. Even unfinished, it remains one of Edinburgh's most striking landmarks. Calton Hill has been part of Edinburgh's story for hundreds of years. In the 15th century, it was used as common land and later became a public park. By the late 1700s, it was already a favorite viewpoint for locals. In the 19th century, it started to take shape as what people called Scottish Acropolis, inspired by classical Greek architecture. This is Otterside, which is highest point of Edinburgh, 823 feet above from sea level. Now let's talk about Nelson Monument. This tall tower is the Nelson Monument, built between 1807 and 1815 to honor Admiral Lord Nelson, who died at the Battle of Trafalgar. Thank you so much guys for watching my video of Calton tour. If you want more about Edinburgh tour, then please like, subscribe and comments for more videos. Thank you so much. All of you, be happy. God bless you and love you so much. Lots of love. Bye. Take care. Namaste.
to all.